Corporate executives attending a forum in China's Xiamen said that Silk Road shipping has been playing an important role in promoting maritime connectivity and deepening opening up and cooperation. Silk Road shipping is an alliance jointly initiated in late 2018 by dozens of ports, carriers, and logistics service providers in countries along the Belt and Road. Xiamen launched the Silk Road shipping service in 2018.
我们是致力于说为跨境电商企业的话提供一个是结合海运优点、规模、出口以及包括快速航运效率的这么一个目的助力他们出海。计划还将持续扩大到21其他成员国。
The port of Hamburg in Germany is one of the partners of the Silk Road Shipping Alliance.
汉堡港始终是致力打造自己，把自己的一个就是服务解决好，然后尤其是要做到一个智慧方面，我们讲那个数字方面。
DB Schenker is a German-founded company that aims to provide tailored solutions for foreign trade enterprises.
就比如说我们原来正常的海关清关的话，需要就说是那个1天或者半天，但是呢，这个海关给了我们很多优惠政策，我们走了一个绿色通道，可以很快的将我们的货物送到我们的客户手中。
Silk Road Shipping, with 271 members, now has 94 routes reaching more than 30 countries and regions.